Good morning, guys. This is a video test of GoPro 7 Black. Right now I am in CR Park in New Delhi and going for a morning walk. It's a beautiful park here in CR Park, and the children are playing. So I'm going to test the stabilization capability of this GoPro 7. This park is maintained very well. By these residents here. This is a sitting area. Sun started rising. Some aged people are sitting over here. This is morning time, 9 a.m. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to get Singapore visa from India. If you are an Indian citizen, you have to apply for visa. You don't have visa free or visa on arrival facility for Singapore. And first of all, you need to apply through one visa agent which is authorized by the Singapore High Commission, and there are around 20 visa agents who have been authorized and recognized by Singapore High Commission. And you can download the application form, which is absolutely free, and fill up the same manually. And there are certain information you need to fill up. For example, your name, address, your passport details, and age, permanent and present address, and the address that you are going to stay in Singapore, and like few other details which are very common. Then you need to also furnish your recent passport size photographs, 2 recent passport size photographs, your bank statement for the last 6 months, and a covering letter stating about your entire trip to Singapore, how many days you are going to stay, and also what would be the activities that you are going to do during your stay in Singapore. I'm filming this video on my GoPro which I bought yesterday from a very well-known shop in Delhi. So I'm doing a trial shooting on this GoPro here, and also figuring out how the video quality is and the audio quality. And I plan to do more videos on this GoPro because this is very handy in terms of carrying on the street, and you don't have to face any sort of difficulty while filming on this GoPro due to its size and lightness. The weight is very light. It's a beautiful day here in Delhi, the capital of India, with more than 30 million people living in this hustling and bustling city, and extremely polluted city. Delhi is one of the top 3 most polluted cities in the world. Children are playing. I hope the video will be a good one due to certain features of this camera, like hyper smooth stabilization and a good low lighting capabilities and good audio capabilities. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.